everyone, Nancy with our treasure home, and Anastasia's upstairs. That's crazy, Anastasia. Oh my goodness. So, a few things going on in the kitchen, and then I got some other things coming up in a different video. You just have to see what's been going on behind the scenes besides schoolwork. So, well, yesterday we have a little thing of pumpkin pie spice. Let me show you. Yes. You can buy pumpkin pie spice in the store. It's always so small. So, I decided, I was like, do we have all the ingredients? Cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and sulfating agents, which is your baking soda, baking powder, baking soda. If you look it up, that's what it tells you what it is. So I was like, you know what? I have all those ingredients. I want to make my own pumpkin pie spice. That's what I did. So, no, I did not make a big jar because I was low on cinnamon. So, there's more than 3 tablespoons in here. So, I'll probably, I might double it. But I like using the cinnamon and other stuff, and then we need to get another one. So, I used 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. It was like 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm trying to remember what I did because I took a picture and then now the picture's gone. So it's like a teaspoon of ginger, teaspoon of cloves, and a teaspoon of allspice. And some of them might have been 1/2 a teaspoon, but especially like the allspice, but because it's strong. But it is so awesome. So I used it in my coffee this morning. Piece of me? You want a piece of me? I'll take a piece of that pie, that's for sure. So, yes. Make your own pumpkin pie spice. Then you can use it any time of the year, especially in your coffee. Yeah, now, I can really tell you that nutmeg is strong, so I'm gonna, next time, instead of 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, I might tone it down to 1/8 of a teaspoon. But then as it goes down, you can really taste that allspice and that cloves and everything. So, people don't realize those herbs are good for this time of year, the season of stuff like that. Without saying it. So, there you go. An easy recipe for pumpkin pie spice that you can use any time of the year, not just for your fall favorites. You know? Let's see what else we can come up with. So, if you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.